Copy and complete the operation table below for addition modulo 7. We have plus subscript 7. It stands for addition modulo 7. To add two numbers in modulo 7, first thing we are going to start by adding the two numbers to get a sum. If the sum of the two numbers is greater than or equal to 7, then we are going to divide the sum by 7. We are simply going to take the remainder and we discard the whole number part. If the sum of the two numbers is less than 7, then the addition of those two numbers in modulo 7 remains that sum which is less than 7. Now let's complete the operation table. We have 0 plus 0. It gives us a sum of 0 which is less than 7. The answer is 0 here. We write 0. 0 plus 1 gives 1 which is less than 7. We write down 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 gives 3. 0 plus 4 gives 4. 0 plus 5 gives 5. 0 plus 6 gives 6. We go now to 1. The row 1. We have 1 plus 0 gives 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2. 1 plus 2 gives 3. 1 plus 3 gives 4. 1 plus 4 gives 5. 1 plus 5 gives 6. 1 plus 6 gives 7. In modulo 7, we cannot write down the number 7 here. What we are going to do is we are going to divide 7 by 7. 7 divided by 7 gives us quotient of 1, the remainder 0. We are going to discard the quotient and we write down the remainder. Here the answer is 0. We go now to 2. 2 plus 0 gives 2. 2 plus 1 gives 3. 2 plus 2 gives 4. 2 plus 3 gives 5. 2 plus 4 gives 6. 2 plus 5 gives 7. 7 in modulo 7 gives 0. We write 0 here. 2 plus 6 gives 8. We are going to divide the number 8 by 7. It gives us 1, remainder 1. We are going to discard the whole number part and we write down the remainder 1. We go now to 3. 3 plus 0 gives 3. 3 plus 1 gives 4. 3 plus 2 gives 5. 3 plus 3 gives 6. 3 plus 4 gives 7. 7 in modulo 7 gives 0. 3 plus 5 gives 8. 8 in modulo 7 gives 1. 3 plus 3 gives 9. We are going to divide 9 by 7. Gives us 1, remainder 2. We are going to discard the whole number part 1 and we write down the remainder 2. 4 plus 0 gives 4. 4 plus 1 gives 5. 4 plus 2 gives 6. 4 plus 3 gives 7. 7 in modulo 7 is 0. 4 plus 4 gives 8. 8 in modulo 7 gives us 1. 4 plus 5 gives 9. 9 in modulo 7 is 2. 4 plus 6 gives 10. 10 divided by 7 gives us 1, remainder 3. We write 3 here. We go now to 5. 5 plus 0 gives 5. 5 plus 1 gives 6. 5 plus 2 gives 7. 7 in modulo 7 is 0. 5 plus 3 gives 8. 8 in modulo 7 gives us 1. 5 plus 4 gives 9. 9 in modulo 7 gives 2. 5 plus 5 gives 10. 10 in modulo 7 gives 3. 5 plus 6 gives us 11. 11 divided by 7 gives us a whole number part of 1 and a remainder of 4. We write down the remainder 4 here. We go now to 6. 6 plus 0 gives 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in modulo 7, 0. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 in modulo 7, 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 in modulo 7 gives 2. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 in modulo 7 gives 3. 6 plus 5 gives 11. 11 in modulo 7 gives 4. 6 plus 6 gives 12. 12 divided by 7, it gives us 1 remainder 5. We are going to write down the remainder 5 here, and we discard the whole number part 1. This is how we add numbers from 0 right up to 6 in modulo 7. If in case you have any worries, you leave your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.